Adishima my mamuna achi sansu mamo akwaba ediba virgin anopa no sia kasebo efom kasebo esaso so ene anopa ya efiri yenyan manga na muya emria amahodo so nsem so eka ho ebi ane abobo no semufa so no suse yakoyen ye baba tetenesre eni abasade mamo ene anopa is virgin anopa no sia kasebo na ensem no nya edimu akotini ebi ene se Ghana mampanyi nana adodankwa akufu ado apaw empenifo be so duba kwa wono mo eba beboa na mamu a wo ba bebu ebo oman Ghana emu na otrotrofo panyi edima NDC amanyuko no so akasa atwemu se afipinuni adunu abato a yekokoto ye no enya de se NDC amanyuko no na wono mo ani edi eye echisunsunso na eba ye no wachemu ese enya de se na wono mo eni edi echirem Onwenya fopon enkroma ono so akasa achemu ese ekame ese Ghana fo binumu ekeka se aban no ede esono ato ayiyo eso na wakasa achechiremu nya enti aban no ede sansem no etu idwa University of Senior Staff for so ede ababeto dwese strike a won mo de babeto dwese won mo akono eyade se oguso a wo strike no emu a wonko adwuma mu enkonko ye adwuma Ghana Health Service for so ede ababeto edwese Ayawaso West kamye se na adihye binumu ekase o kase coronavirus dia na chese sabro no so ana ayi ni ti wo hono pa na wakasa achiremu ese enyesa na tede biarada yebeko eniyidie ensemu enso na ochia me kwame so akasa ede futusem dia ko ama Ghana fo nyinada se adaroma yenhwe na nosmas no nyinada enhye ne fammo ye ho eban yebeko akopiemu ewo amahodo ensem emu so na Zimbabwe manu emu ababutu dwese won so enche bia China manu ede eye edura betimi akontia coronavirus ede no ede ebro mo sere beyo no mo so betimi ede abo ho ebra ensema foforo bi mu kan hu osamufo so no so yakrogen anya de baba so mo ene anopa virgin anopa bremu akan kase bom mi ameje braken kakase bo dia mam medium je so ene mabna adobia na hye no se kase bo eye dwumako bi na ebo ye chidom eye success preparatory school coronavirus aba opa baby papa do ba akono osometimi adom no wankonko tete yade no anyo no ho dia anye na mekanfo success preparatory school ediamon achechefo hono bo homodin ye papa chade amankwada no etimi eti adusua no asiye papa won mecha kwan ebo nson adeso kwantempo no eso anaso betimi afrempinifo ewo 0208 278 198 0208 278 198 na oni wonu atwe ko na wo do ba no akoho na bibia so etimi aye kama ye dan husma ye ba kase bo no ye de mu chemu bebre mu Ebusian for esanso emamo akwa babium ediba virgin anopa no sia kase bono esu na yenhye ase edia 2020 anasa afempinuni aduonu mo no no man Ghana nyinada ekokoto abayi yempenfo bedi yanima ekoko wi ase no na chese Ghana mampanyi na adodankwa akufu adonidin ane abose wodi oman no anima asanso atena oman Ghana yakonya kase no eso atenetene yen ene nyempo eye niema hodro betimi aboa ama oman no enkanko etimi abamum na se yabonidin na esese waba abam no woyi mpenifo wono mo ebeka no ho na amamu a wo ba bebu no etimi akoso ye papa ewo man no emu eno nom so ama wode krata abomontene ede mpenifo bi no ya osusu se wono betimi aboa no ama na mamu no etimi akoso no yade se wode wono edini aba beto edwa
December bosome ne da etosunsun ena Ghana yeto yaba ne yi ye mampani na nadoda nkwa Akufo-Addo ewo ne mprenu eso se womra medi Ghana so emfie nan entem eno ena neyi ababeto edwase eyade ye mampani Nensemu nyina ene se etrikuo wo hoi enkwagina enti no adwuma no enyade wono nko betimi aye enti wapaw ne mpanifu a wone womo ebeye adwuma no se de ebeye wo betimi edi Ghana efri baby na kwakodru baby meche Council of State eno yade ena yama mpani na nadoda nkwa Akufo-Addo wapaw womo a wone womo ebeye se adwuma no na ne kasemu ena wosande tu edwase eyade a enkofo wapaw womo no wonimu se womo gina womo na so do betimi aboa ama Ghana etimi afanentuma pa efra na NPP amanyokuo no womu ani daso a entunu yegina si yento womo so abano etimi abemu edi ama womo sede womo ehwehwe no
na wo afipinu ni aduonu abato man Ghana ikokoto yimu a echirisunsuanso no abato komisa ede babetu edwase Ghana mampanyi na adodankwa Akufo-Addo anasanso afa abanu ebiema sesi ekasa krampono oyeye mampanyi ewo manyu emu na abato ni echirisunsuanso ne bewie ya pe ana NDC amanyuko no ede babetu edwase enyade se wono ebegya tumu de biara da o chese abato eni echensunsuanso abato komisa de baye no osusu se abato komisa chese Florida nkasa ya o chese o chinchin bibi ewo eye abato ni echensunsuanso na ebaye no emum na eno nene wono entiase entinu wode wasem nyada akwakodan Supreme Court to say Supreme Court ni wono asem emma wono aye gusu akasa ya egusu ekoso no enye asem kitokra na eduada ya yesi mu na chese eye onumunyafo asiedu nkete ono eye ochotofo panyidi ma NDC amanyuko no ono anana ejina box nimu edi adanse ede ama NDC amanyuko na wo abra lawyer akoto ampaw ene no etwetwe nkomo bisa no nsembia no a owura asiedu nkete abetimi eyi ano no bisa ne se ana election results no bae no kamye se NDC for mo kan sem bebrebe edefa ho eno ana owura asiedu nketia kire se results ai bae na sabato kokoto ya echensunsoso bae no na enya de se NDC amnyuko no wono eni edi ekire de biarada.
These statements in the various clips is that President Mahama had won the 2020 presidential election.
Yes. My Lord, these statements, according to the videos, were made at different times.
I didn't ask you when they were made.
Some of them were made after declaration, some before declaration, and so on. So it is difficult to put all such together and say that at this point, this was what was said.
No, I'm putting it to you that these statements were made before declaration.
My Lord, my viewing of the video indicates that some of the statements were made after declaration.
Even better. And so you admit that some of the statements saying that the petitioner had won the elections were made after the declaration. Not so.
From what I have watched here with everybody here, I can see that this is not a video of one event. These are videos picked and pieced together, and some of them relate to a time period before declaration, and others relate to a time period after declaration.
Now, it is no secret that interspersed between these press conferences, the NDC, under your direction, had organized several demonstrations in Accra, stating that the petitioner had won the election and warning the first respondent not to subvert the will of the people.
My Lord, the NDC had organized several demonstrations with three main objectives. One,
please, I've not asked you.
The killing of innocent
Please.
Voters at polling stations by security officers, and nothing seemed to be happening.
Answer my
the NDC made that was one of the purposes of the press conference. The other purpose of the press conference.
Please, I have not asked you the purpose, so answer my question. Please, and don't be taking instructions.
Can you restate
Don't be taking instructions from, lawyers on this side. Please.
Please, let's observe.
Please.
Deacon, please.
My Lord, I know what I'm talking about.
We are closer to them than you. We've not witnessed anything. Please.
Yes, please answer my question, and you had your opportunity to write your witness statement. So now you answer the questions. You understand?
Please, I'm asking the question again, and I answer according to my ability and what I consider to be the answer to the question.
I'm saying that interspersed between these press conferences,
yes,
the NDC organized a series of demonstrations, the object of which was to...
The team is loaded. You see, it is double barreled. Can't you break them?
Organize a number of demonstrations. Is that so?
Yes, we did.
And one of the clear objectives of these demonstrations was that the petitioner had won the elections and the EC should not subvert the will of the people.
My Lord, the objective that relates to the presidential elections was that the results as declared were flawed. And the commission itself had accepted that the results were flawed, and that's why they kept changing the figures.
So you admit that you said that the results were flawed.
Yes.
Who, in your view, won the results? The elections?
My Lord,
who?
We are not interested in winning or losing a flawed election.
Very well.
We want the election, we want to be winners of an election that is credible.
Ebusuanye to akasie bono eso na enche bia na otwimu ada anaga na mampanyi na adodankwa akufu ado ene oman Ghana ebenya kitawde ekasa kire yem wo abra coronavirus yede no ebabepie mu ewo oman Ghana mu woni Ghana fo enya kitawudi a achechen yokwan ye befa so bebi ade no akwakodu ni empo wono ma sebe wono mu afemu ahwe wono kwan eya abra no ni abra no bia no woni Ghana fo ekasa ekenkan ni nyinada ede kire yem na wona otwi wie ya wabra woni Ghana fo ekasa ne penya etosu edonu miensa so ana to Ghana fo nyinada enim se ekame ese yade no ese ni asan so ma ne hono so ewo man mu entinu na enyade so be hwe ha sa de ne sa ahye ne demri fama aye hwe ha ma yade no asan so ama ne hono so ewo man Ghana mu entinu eyade se eyiyo eni ne keka ho no watititi nipa hodre ko ase no so ede aba aduonu enum che 25 na emum no se wo hwe se ekoso so anu ahwa ma social distance no etimi akoso ewo sabia ho no na asem odi tudwe kame se Ghana fo binum antiase ma wonmo ekeka se Ghana mampanyin akasa se ayiyo wode esono atoso enonom so amonmunyafo opon enkroma ono aso ejinemu ede ema de sha wonmo ewo ofanse ayirebi akasa edinchemu amagana fo nyinada.
So for example, you notice that the president did not ban burial services because the activity of burial we actually encourage you to go on so that you don't have people's mortal remains piling up in the morgues, etc. The activity of burial, so the burial service, the one where you take the body most likely to a church and a prayer is said before they will go and do the actual burial, that one is not banned. It is only limited to about 25 persons. So a private burial or private burial service is not banned. What is banned is the funeral, where typically in the Ghanaian community we will all gather You will see a long line, shaking of hands, announcement of people, then they call for a song, people will come and dance, then there's lunch or dinner, food and drinks, alcohol. There's a little party associated with it. That is what in Ghana typically we refer to as a funeral. That is what is banned, because it's in that aspect that we notice that there's a high risk, and therefore people are being treated to similar activities.
Segana for Ebekaya and Chebian and the Baba two menim say a could be a from Setel, Teachers and Educational Workers Union. One more Edicrataba Montenese Eya Desa, one more Ati Epiao Cha. Sukua Yebiano and Yadesa, one more Ebeko Suku, demo, Apacoche, Adiana Empo, a school from Quadanso, Enya, a so and Faso. Now one more Edisa strike about Montana, and a university senior staff on so one so Edwin Toma, a cocobo 1 day annual cha, and Yadesa, one so Ebeko Suku, Demosa, Apacocha, Diana, so Beko Suku, Apacodi, one Duma or cha. And she said, "Be a bino, and one more a coye, or one more a cut your handsome seminum. A just a bino, and so and farm more, sounds what dear Baba to just a striker, what the Baba to just say walk on, a just guswa, a war striker no im."
Se amanfo bekaya enche yebia enadwumaku a edi Senior Staff Association of Universities of Ghana womo eya chechefo asukupon ahodo no womo echirade wom womo enomo de babetu edwasem esense womo akatua aban edema womo no esuade ma womo entinkebe ya na nadoda nkwakufodo ene ne mpanifo womo enye bibi emfamfa ho nanso besi ene no womo asem na kwaye buachi bidin enti eno no na de wo se womo ya se won beti atua meche strike enti no womo eko strike eno enenne womo asan de ababetu edwase eyade a strike ne de womo gina womo nanso pintin ekopem se na nadoda kwakufodo ebe ba bonten ebe abeka se papa bi atu womo tirimu no ene strike na no mugina so kiane ke womo ebeko de momo munya sheda womo de beko strike no nanso de ebe ya ne se won beti na fie ekosi se na nadoda kwakufodo ene ne mpanifuo edi sika ne bi anase omo akatua no obetum edi ama womo pani ene de sasemwe edi tuja
Ghana Health Service ya openyo da no eni Dr. Patrick Kuma Abuajem wakasa won semchofo nhwemudie ase achiremu ese ekamye ese Ghana fobinu ekekase wakasa achiremu se okopiemu ewo ayawaso west no ewo enkrankropomu a coronavirus ya de no honum na eyi miti papa na wakasa won semchofo nhwemudie ase achiremu ese sasema Ghana fobinu ekekam se okopiemu ewo ayawaso west gona coronavirus ya de no honum na ama no home so pan wacha enye sanete de biarada
west. The number is, I would say, more of an artificial number. When we subsequently disaggregate them, this is not. It's so because Noguchi and Nyahu Clinic is located there. Yes. So they tend to record a lot of cases there. But after they have received the results, we look at their location and redistribute them. So Ayawaso West is not a hospital. I'm sure today you didn't see me post in the last few days. I've never posted this, but on the updates, because of the way the reporting is, and based on the labs, you would think that's Ayawaso West. But clearly it is not. It's just because the labs are there, Noguchi, Yahoo, and some private facilities are there. That is what creates that number. And so one would not say that Ayawaso West is a hotspot or collect hotel and the rest, because we also have the Akai also reporting there and closing the number. So that's why when we look at with this aggregate, we realize that the central Accra and the adjoining districts, that's where we had a problem. Of course, that would include Ayawaso West, but it's not a hotspot, I would say. So I think we need to make that.
Abusia to akase bono esonia de ne akopiemu ewo enigide ensem emu na coronavirus ho ensem semia danam so amanyumtuni ba kwa owoga na hasi e kase rap pande wo tiase te rap edi rap e kasa rap chese oye bibia rap Ochiame Kwame Wakasa, Edia Futu Semenia, the Sredia Kodia Magana Funina Dasa da Roma, one more and Hena Shako Dry, Diego Quemu, Eddie Ama Coronavirus, Sayan Shanian, no smas. Now, after to the young fast sanitizer, who don't know your yen Sahum, Yaro, Yen Sahum, Abrana, after social distancing. Yahweh, now after to near the Dinata, as soon as Casa, Eddie of Futu Semenia, the Sredian, Uncle Edia Magana Funina Dasa at the Roma Yeshe, near Minata, as we said, the Bionaya, they could give Baba since you come on, to me every on my gun, so I call.
Coronavirus nsensem ya eno na Ghana ubepie mu a eyade asoro kwa na ekwo ena manfo nso femu na efemu eno na mpanifo de hyehyeye egu akwan mu se ye momodin si ebedi san hyehyeye no eso eno na nwumtuni anidin de Ochiame Kwame ene wode ababetu edwase wode adesrede etu Ghana fo nyina enim tititimamuni bia se ema ne dadwen se coronavirus yade no eyade a ewo ho papa ebitimi ka se yade no eni ho enti wono de hyehyeye no wonni so eno ne Ochiame Kwame wo se yade no ewo ho enti yemyeni enna ho na hyehyeye ahodo empanifo de egu akwan mu se ebe horo yemsa ye be hye nose mask ye de sanitizer emponi ye ne adofo no mu hye ye betiti ye ntam eni se de yakwasi de ye mampani ebe kasa fa ho se ema ye nye eyiye na mum ye be ye mpa enkofo aduonum num eni de akeka ho no ye bedi su pepepe se de be ya ebe bo na Ghana yetimi atwe ye ho afi coronavirus yade no ehom na timamuni bia so atimi enya ne
Ebusayi na wesuni ahome kasebo no esu ye ba ye beda yani akopiemu ewo amahodo ensem emu ye basisia Ebusiafo sanso mamu akwa babiem ediba virgin anopa no nsia kasebo no eso na yenkonko wi kasebo no ewo amahodo ensem emu efiti abraya de kodie coronavirus ebaye no ekamye se atretreni taiba mu ankasa ma okopiemu ewo Zimbabwe manu mu so a ebi eyini ti wo hono menu no enye asempetwa kra na eno ana wono matimi abo homodina ana wono edi ababetu edwese wono ekase ye womo eni China for accounti aboma enche bia eyade se coronavirus no ehu edro no efi China manu emu babedru eye Zimbabwe manu emu sedebeyo na wono so betimi asa won ho yade
Coronavirus ho ensensem ya eno na okopie amanya hodo so a eyade ate se omo ho akire omo papa eyie eno na Zimbabwe man no ene omo de ababetu edwase eyade womo enya ho eduro eno eduro no ebefri Chinese fo ho na omo de aba Zimbabwe man no emu se de be ye omo betimi ede asa womo ho yade eno ebefri ase eye busumi ya ye bewremi se de be ye timemu ni bia no ye de saa eduro ni bi be wo no se wo coronavirus yade ni bi ana se woni bi no ye be ma na ye se eduro no se de be ya enkonkwoti atese ewo man no emu na emom so hyehyɛ ya hodo no wo mbesan edi so na eno no etimi aboa na COVID-19 yade na ewo Zimbabwe eman no emu no omo etimi atu ase krakra
ewie ebusiana wesu na yegina na kase ba ebobo no ede ba besomo ene anopa is virgin anopa bremu akan kase bono aha anebrema kwame edi ni nada esi na ansa ne be kono mumi hwe ne beto odwa ne bi ansen Ghana mampanyi nana adodan kwa akufu ado ede krata ba montina wa kire se wode eye nipa hodra wonom eba beboa ama wo na mamu a yabo ni din se wo mamebu ewo man Ghana mu no etimi akoso ewo man no emu Sarah Sonia de Babasomo, ese ochocho for penny edema a year NDC amunyukonum. Ununya for a sea drunketia swakasa. Achemu as a 2020 about to any a chance so a bayano. A yadesena NDC amunyukonum, one more any a trim. No nunya for upon chromaso akasa achemu ese a yo mampany ever can say a yadesa wanted to so a dear about 25 for none. Or chese Ghana mampany yadesa were de a small to Subiam. Universities of senior staffs and so at their barber to just strike one more a coin Oguswa a war striking no imum. Ghana Health Service Fonso Akasa Achemu ese ayawaso Westward gone e kamye se Ghana fobimu e kasa se yade no man ho so ho no pa wakasa chemu se enyesa enetie de biara da yekọ enigide ensemu enso na nyumtuni ochia me kwame so e de futu sem ne ade so de akọ maka na fo nyina da se adaroma nyina da ye hwe na coronavirus ho hyehyɛ no yen ni nyina da eso pepepe bekọ ko wie kase bono e wo amahodo ensem emu na Zimbabwe manu emu ababe to jose one more abon homodina ama enche bia China manu ede eye vaccines ahodro na se coronavirus homodro ebebre omuno muso etimi ede asa won ho yade ensem afoforo bidim kawe mu ho ane de babe so no se virgin anopa bremu akan kasebo na chantu se kasebo eye adwumako bi adaromane bo ye chidom eye Success Preparatory School upesku papa do ba akode amekamfo ede amon one match upon one some at so content for no assume and also bit my friend penny for one my true voice so 0208 278 now don't go no I train come now de banon akọkọ na bibia so etimi aye kama kasebo no esinami amje bre ekenkan de mamo ene anopa media mje so a ene ma bina adobia ye mamu na mo ni hwentia adehye